Most people believe keeping money in a bank account is the safest financial decision they can make. Every paycheck arrives, your balance grows, and you feel more secure about your future. But what if that feeling of security is actually an illusion? What if your bank account is quietly making you poorer every single year? This isn't because banks are bad. The real problem is something much more invisible. That invisible force is called inflation, and it slowly reduces the value of your money. Imagine you have $100,000 sitting safely in your bank account. You don't spend it. You don't invest it. You simply leave it there. After 1 year, your bank pays you about 2% interest. Your balance grows to $102,000, and everything seems perfect. But here's the question most people never ask. Can your money still buy the same things it could 1 year ago? Suppose inflation rises to 5% during the same year. Now the same things that cost $100,000 cost $105,000. Your balance increased, but your purchasing power actually decreased. This is the invisible loss that millions of people never notice. Your bank balance may be growing while your real wealth quietly shrinks. Real wealth isn't measured by your account balance. It's measured by what your money can actually buy. Imagine this happening every year for the next 10 or 20 years. A small loss repeated over time eventually becomes a very expensive mistake. Many people confuse financial safety with building long-term wealth. An emergency fund protects you. Long-term wealth is designed to grow. Leaving large amounts of cash idle for years comes with a hidden cost. That hidden cost is called opportunity cost. While your money sits still, it misses the chance to grow over time. Time is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in the world. Financially successful people ask a different question. Instead of asking, "Is my money safe?" they ask, "Is my money working for me?" Sometimes the greatest financial risk isn't taking too much risk. Sometimes the greatest risk is believing that doing nothing is completely safe.